The setup, assembly, installation and operation must be carried out exclusively by suitable trained personnel. A representative of our company should be involved in the initial commissioning of the control and dosing unit to avoid errors and damage. Please feel free to contact us for assistance. Now, we provide you with essential information about the LINOP M3000 and M3500. Connect the LINOP M3500 control unit to the LINOP M3000 dosing unit for control and power supply via the LYN bus interface. Connect the appropriate dosing valve to the dosing unit. Here are various options. The LINOP VCA for cyanoacrylate adhesives with viscosities up to 20,000 MPa per second. The LINOP VAN for anaerobic or UV adhesives with viscosities up to 20,000 MPa per second. An electrically controlled valve for viscosities up to 2,000 MPa per second. Connect the end of the product hose to the dosing valve using adapters A1 and A2 along with the corresponding hose connection adapters. Note that adapters A1 and A2 must be ordered separately. Establish the power supply. Connect the LINOP M3500 control unit to the table power supply. The LINOP EM24 electric dosing valves are powered by the LINOP M3000 dosing unit, while the LINOP M3000 dosing unit is powered by the LINOP M3500 control unit. Connect the pressure vessel to the LINOP M3000 dosing unit. Ensure that the pressure vessel is mounted at the same level as the control unit and dosing unit. Connect the compressed air outlet and the empty sensor. Connect the LINOP M3000 dosing unit to the compressed air supply. Ensure that the compressed air is free from moisture and oil to avoid contamination. Make sure all connections are properly secured before turning on the system. Now you can turn on the LINOP M3500 control unit. Note that the pressure vessel is now pressurized. Ensure that there are no loose or incorrectly connected parts to avoid injuries. With the LINOP PP505, Cyberbond introduces a new innovative pressure vessel made of turned aluminum with blue anodization. This container is equipped with a simple quick release and provides a capacitive empty warning before emptying the adhesive container. Before putting the pressure vessel into operation, some preparations should be made. The pressure vessel is designed to directly accommodate a 1 kg round bottle, UV adhesives, a 500 g round bottle, cyanoacrylate adhesives, as well as 250 g oval bottles, anaerobic adhesives. For oval bottles, a suitable positioning aid is integrated to optimally trigger the capacitive button. Open the pressure vessel and place the container with the reactive adhesive inside. Insert the product hose into the adhesive container and then close the pressure vessel using the quick clamps. When filling for the first time, it is important to ensure that the product hose is long enough and reaches the bottom of the adhesive container. Be careful not to deform the hose through tension. To adjust the correct length of the product hose, you can loosen the through coupling on the lid of the pressure vessel and adjust as needed. Don't forget to tighten the through coupling securely afterward. Cut the end of the product hose at an angle to ensure smooth product flow and prevent the hose from sticking to the bottom of the adhesive container. The pressure vessel is now optimally prepared and can be put into operation.